Facing a dead key fob in your 2022-2023 Nissan Kicks? Don't worry, you can still start your car. The Kicks uses a passive keyless entry system, so even without battery power in the fob, the car retains a last known authorization. This video shows you how to quickly get your car running. First, locate the mechanical key blade. It's inside your key fob. Release the latch and pull out the key. Use this key to manually unlock the driver's side door. This bypasses the keyless entry system when the fob is dead. Get into the driver's seat and make sure the car is in park. Depress the brake pedal firmly. Now, take your dead key fob and hold it very close to the start-stop engine button within about 6 inches. Press the start-stop button while holding the fob nearby. The Nissan Kick system is designed to recognize the fob's presence, even with a dead battery, via a proximity-based authorization. Holding it close to the start button allows the car to detect the fob's security chip, even if the RF transmitter isn't working. This engages the immobilizer and allows you to start the engine. If the car doesn't start on the first try, reposition the key fob slightly closer to the start button and repeat the process. Ensure the brake pedal is depressed while pressing the start button. You can also try placing the key fob directly on the driver's seat and attempt to start the vehicle again. The proximity allows the system to detect the fob even if it's not in your hand. If you have a spare key fob, try using that instead to rule out potential issues with the original fob, such as battery failure or programming problems. If none of these troubleshooting steps resolve the issue, refer to your owner's manual for additional diagnostics or seek assistance from a certified Nissan dealer. To prevent future dead fob situations, replace the key fob battery, which is a CR2032 type, every 1 to 2 years. Extreme temperatures, particularly cold weather, can drain the battery faster than normal conditions. Also, avoid exposing the key fob to water or excessive heat to maintain its functionality. If the basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your dead key fob issue, it may indicate a more complex problem such as a software glitch or immobilizer malfunction. At this point, contact your Nissan dealer for professional diagnostics and reprogramming services. The dealership technicians will use specialized equipment to diagnose the issue and reprogram the key fob or immobilizer system as needed. Dealership reprogramming typically costs between $100 and $200, depending on your location and specific service requirements. Automotive technology is evolving toward battery-free key solutions to eliminate dead fob issues. Technologies like ultra-wideband and biometric access are leading the way. Ultra-wideband uses precise radio signals for accurate location and authentication, allowing phone-based access without batteries. This technology enables seamless entry and starting through smartphone connectivity. Biometric access uses fingerprints or other biological traits for secure, keyless entry, integrating with automated systems like parking barriers for enhanced convenience. Future Nissan models may incorporate UWB and biometric technologies along with app-based backups and over-the-air updates for improved reliability and reduced dependency on physical keys. For now, remember the manual unlock and proximity start methods to overcome a dead key fob in your 2022-2023 Kicks.